Good afternoon, class. So our lesson for today is all about integrated farming system or IFS. So what comes in your mind when you hear IFS? So I think you have the idea. So let's proceed. IFS or integrated farming system, practical strategies to combine crops, animals, trees, and agriculture so every resource supports another, improving income, resilience, and soil health. So for example is sa usa ka sa usa ka farm dili kay crops ra ang imong gitanom dira or kanaang animals ra ang imong gi-raise kundi imo silang gi-combine mao na ato gitawag nga integrated farming system. What is farming? So farming at its core. So energy conversion. So farming harnessing solar energy to produce food, fiber, and livestock products. So in this case, gigamit na sulod diri ang photosynthesis since in IFS you are raising craftsman ong gibali ang maka-benefit ani is ang crops anya ang crops pod maka-benefit sa animals nga moy mo kuan mo kaon or mahimong kuan kanang tawag kani pagkaon sa animals. So next is system perspective. So, a system arranges interrelated components that transform inputs like sun, water, labor into outputs, crops, animals, and residues. So, when we say interrelated components of excuse me. So, interrelated components is nagkadikit or bond ni sila or interconnected. So, like for example, the sun connects to the crops and the crops connects to the animals and the animals produce the waste. So the crops again can gain the waste and convert it into fertilizer. Just like example, an example of residues no kanang mga dapat ilabay na is pwede pa magamit. Like for example, anang waste sa animals or livestock. So next is interdependence. So enterprises on a farm are linked. The outputs or waste of one become inputs for another. So just like gaina sa akong example no, great example is kato ang livestock nga ang ilahang gi-consume or ang ilang gikaon nga crops which is mabalik ra gyapon sa crops kay tungod ang ilahang waste is magamit man nimo siya utro para mahimong organic fertilizer. Next is definition of integrated farming systems. IFS is the scientific integration of multiple farm enterprises to use resources efficiently, recycle residues, and generate steady year-round income for households. So farming system or integrated farming system is sa ato na mention kayo is nagagamit siya og lain-lain or not only depending on one farming but also on multiple use or for example sa kato na laging mga livestock, crops, aquaculture sa pagbuhi og mga isda. So instead steady year-round income for households. So maka sure gid tanong na maka year-round income tab. So it's because wala ta nagsalig sa usara ka we're not depending on one production but because we have an integrated or multiple farming system. Next is why IFS matters for farmers. So first is resource recycling. So from the word itself, crop residues and animals manure become compost and feed, reducing external inputs. So in the case of livestock, so ang ilahang mga waste that can be used as organic manure or organic fertilizer. So and also year-round income. So staggered enterprises, vegetable, poultry, fish, smooth cash flow across seasons. So dili man vegetable, poultry, fish, smooth cash flow across season. So since nga dili ra man isa ang imuhang gibuhay or imong gi-raise or imuhang gi-farm, ma-secure gud nimo nga ang imong year round income is flow gud siya, kay dili man ingog isa ra imong mabaligya or isa ra ka product ang imong ma-produce, multiple man siya because of the livestock, poultry, fish, and etc. So employment and productivity, diverse enterprises create jobs and raise overall farm productivity per hectare. So since you are integrated farming system, maka gain po ni siya sa mga diverse enterprises nga makahatag or maka-create og job, kay dili man gyud ingon nga makaya nimo og trabaho or manage ang isa ka farm nga pareha nga ni kadako nga multiple na siya. So you can use or you can hire some jobs or employment to people nga makatabang pod sa ilaha. So sustainability and safety, rotation, trees and livestock reduce erosion and lower chemical dependence for environmental safety. So sustainability and safety from the word itself, no, rotation of trees o mao ni ang magsilbi nga natural barrier or natural protection sa mga livestock o para nga na magbuhit og baboy nga prone kaayo sa mga sakit. Mao ni sila ang katong maghimong sayaan or maghimong depensa para sa mga diseases nga pwede mo duol or maapektuhan sa imong mga livestock or imong mga crops. Then lower chemical dependence, so since ma-reuse man nimo ang mga waste, mahimo man nimo to silang mga organic matter, organic fertilizer or organic fertilizer, I mean. So dili na kakayo dependent sa mga synthetic because you have the residues nga pwede nimo gamiton para ana. This is the core objectives of IFS. So number 1 is map existing system, identify current enterprises, resources, labor, and seasonal cycles on the farm. 2 is design models, formulate locally appropriate IFS models that suit land, water, and market access. 3 is use resources optimally, match feeds, residues, and waste to the enterprises to reduce waste and cost. To reduce waste and cost. So next is number 4, recycle farm residues. Convert crop leftover and manure into inputs, or for example compost, biogas, feed, to close loop. So number 5 is ensure sustainability, maintain soil health, biodiversity, and steady production over time. And the last is number 6, increase profitability, raise net returns by combining complementary enterprises and adding value. Next is the scope. What to include on a farm. So, unsa ang dapat i-appeal sa usa ka farm or integrated farming system. So, the IFS toolbox includes in crops, cereals, veggies, and fodders. Then next is livestock, cattle, goats, sheep. In poultry, chickens for meat and eggs. Then in aquaculture, fish ponds and small-scale hectare. Then trees and agroforestry, fruit, timber, windbreaks, and auxiliary, beekeeping, silviculture, and small-scale processing. So, sa nakita ninyo is kana sila tanan is connected jud na dapat kung mahimo naa na sa usa ka farm, kay kana sila is cycle ra na siya, balik-balik ra, no waste, o kibali no waste is kanang thrown away na siya. So combining these enterprises intelligently increases returns per unit land and labor. So these are the goals of practical targets for farmers. So first is maximize steady income, stagger output to avoid seasonal income gaps. So maximize nimo ang imong income diri because you have only not, as I said earlier nga, you have only not raising one crops or animal or livestock because you are in integrated farming system. So ma-maximize jud nimo siya no, kay dili kay isa ra ang mapahalin or mabaligya nimo or ma-export nimo sa imong farm. sa imong farm. Instead, daghan jud siya or daghan siya yung mga adjustment or daghan kay choices if ang seasonal or ang mga panahon is dili na siya demand or dili na siya halinon. So next is restore productivity. Use crop rotation, fodder trees and manure to rebuild soil fertility. So when we say restore productivity is in crop rotation, this is the best example for that nga dili jud dapat maintain ra ang imuhang crops nga itanom kay instead madaot ang imong ang negative ana is the madaot or ma-erode ang imong soil. So you have to apply crop rotation nga maka revive or maka-revive sa imuhang soil fertility. So next is reduce pest pressure. So diverse planting and natural predator lower pest build up. So ma-include gyapon diri si crop rotation no because in diverse planting kanang galain-lain ka og tanom since you are IFS farming man in terms of crops is mabahin jud ang insects kay tungod kay dili man isa ra ang imong gitanom mabahin man sila or dili man gyud namang tay gitawag nga insect specific insect na maura tong unsa nga crops ang ilang kanon is maura gyud to ilahang i-consume. Then cut chemical use, biological control, compost and integrated nutrient management reduce dependency on pesticides and synthetic fertilizer. So as I said nga ang katong mga residues nga dapat na dana ilabog galing gikan sa imuhang crops or imuhang livestock is magamit pa to nimo nga mo'y mahinungdan nga dili ka kayo dependent sa synthetic which is mahal na siya in terms of applying it or buying it. So these are the practical IFS models and their examples. So first is the paddy cum fish. So excuse me. Fish in paddies recycle nutrients, give extra protein and income between rice cycles. So diri sa this is applicable for also for rice fields nga pwede nimo since rice fields is tubigon man siya need siya og water pwede ka diri magbuhi og isda or something maka-benefit pod or not dili maka-harm sa ka rice para sa imuhang rice cycle. So pag-abot sa panahon nga ting-ani o na doble ang imuhang maani or makuha or ma-harvest. So next is agroforestry plus livestock. Trees provide fodder, shade, fruit, livestock utilize and destroy, understory and produce manure for the tree. So from the word itself no is so from the word itself no trees provide shelter for livestock and the livestock provide manure for the trees. So both of them have benefits to each other. So next is vegetable plus poultry. So poultry contribute eggs and meat while manure supports beds after composting. So diri is ang imuhang poultry ang imong mga manok is maka-contribute sila og eggs and meat while ang imuhang manure is naka-support sa mga vegetable gani nga gina-consume pod sa imuhang mga chickens or imuhang mga poultry sa imuhang poultry farming after supports vegetable beds after composting after nila ma-compost. Now for the assignment draw a mini IFS farm plan. Top view ni siya no. Then label all components clearly. Write 3 to 5 sentences explanation and be ready to present next meeting or to pass next meeting. And that would be all. Thank you.